for Science Unboxed with the mad scientist.
Oh, yeah.
So now for this experiment, this is the slimy snot experiment.
Oh, yeah.
And all we need is green slime.
Liggle.
From the kit and a tissue, which we got from the kitchen. Now, I've left the plate from our previous experiment just because I think that might be better.
Yeah.
Right? So it says, using the green slime, get a clean tissue and drop small amounts of the slime onto it.
We had to throw a bit of the slime away because it was mixed in the clay. Ooh.
That's all right. So just take small amounts off and drop it on the tissue.
Little bogies.
Yeah.
Do you think this will be a fail or not?
I don't know. Well, let's see.
So like this, just like squirmy little bogies. I'm gonna make some I'm gonna make them like different shapes. Like that one's like rounded. I mean that one's like a bit of a rectangle. That one's like bally. This one's like tiny. It has like a little companion. You want to do some?
Oh, thanks. Yeah. So
Bogey.
this is like, you could do like a smear.
Oh no! Wait! I want to do that. I want to smear.
As if you've sort of blown your nose.
Oh yeah! Oh, these are so gross.
So, yeah, I guess that's sort of like snot, really, isn't it?
Kind of looks like a face. Oh no!
So and then this experiment really, I think, is more like a prank.
Yeah.
Than an experiment, because what it says is to put it somewhere where someone else is going to see it.
Can I put it next to it?
Well, I don't think so.
Okay.
And then they just think that you've left like a snotty tissue hanging around.
Well, can I get a tiny bit more for that?
So I guess how realistic do you think that is?
Wait, is that already done?
That's it. That is the experiment.
What? That isn't very fun.
No.
I wouldn't rate it very high.
Well, let's talk about snot. Tell me what you know about snot.
I know that snot is when you get a bit of dust trapped in your nose and then it just wants to reject it, like from it.
Yeah, so snot is produced to protect your body from, like you say, from things that go up your nose. So germs, dust, pollen. So it's like a filter. So all the bad stuff gets stuck in the snot to stop it going in your lungs. Right?
Can I ask the kids something out there? Do any of you have hay fever? If you do, you'll know what we're talking about.
Yeah, so pollen goes up your nose. So it basically, it filters out all that stuff to stop it going in your lungs, because it would be bad if it went in your lungs.
Yeah.
And it washes away the germs. So when it comes out, when you blow your nose, it washes away the germs. So when you've got a cold and you get lots of snot, it's because there's lots of germs that are being washed out. So do you think it's a good or a bad thing to eat your bogies? Do you think?
I saw on Operation House it's okay to...
But they're like full of germs. Yeah.
Oh.
So, anyway. So,
Achoo!
yes. So there is the fake slimy snot.
I'm actually going to put it back because I don't...
So how do we rate this one?
Meh.
I'm going to give it like a 4. I mean, as a prank, it's okay, but as a science experiment, I'd say...
I'd say it's not a fail. It is a win. It did work, but it's just not that fun to do. Even if just a prank. If it was just a quick prank, then that would be fine. But as like a science experiment, like you said, it's not that amazing.
I think it's a bit of a fail. So I'm going to give it a 4. What number do you give it?
I'm going to actually give it a 2.
A 2? Okay. So on average then it's a 3.
I think it would be funner if we played with this slime.
But anyway, that was the slimy snot experiment. So
Can I just do something a minute? Stay there.
I don't know what's going to happen now, science fans. Oh no.
I just had to blow my nose.
Oh, that's disgusting. Anyway, with that, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to
like and subscribe.
bye.
Bye.